Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy CARV on Binance Alpha. It's very easy. First you can open your Binance apps and then go to your search box here in the top. And then you can search CARV. This one, CARV on Alpha. Or if you cannot find it, you can just click search here. Then there will be CARV on Alpha, you can click it. And then this is the chart. If you want to see the details, you can click info in the top here. You will see the 24-hour high, low, and volume. Also, you can see the audit here. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click right here. And then you can choose buy using limits order or instant buy. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.